friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making popcorn salad. For this easy recipe, we need popped popcorn, 2 celery sticks, 2 green onion stalks, 3 ounces bacon bits, a can of water chestnuts, shredded carrots, shredded cheddar cheese, and mayo. So first, I'm going to measure out 6 cups of popcorn. And next, I'm going to chop the celery into very small pieces. And let's add it to popcorn. And now I'm going to chop the green onions. And also add it. And I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So let's add the bacon bits. And I'm going to drain the water chestnuts. And now add them to the bowl. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of shredded carrots. And 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And 3/4 cups of mayo. And now I'm just going to toss everything until combined. So popcorn and a salad is a very unusual combination, but it's a popular potluck salad and you just have to give it a try. Perfect. So now the salad is tossed and it's ready. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It's full of crunchy ingredients. Let's see. so good. You just have to try it. It's very unique. The ingredients are crunchy and you can taste the bacon and cheddar cheese. You'll love it. Now if you serve it right away, the popcorn is still crunchy. If you let it sit, the popcorn gets softened and has a texture more like a pasta salad. So either way, right away or later, it's great. You'll love it. Give it a try. For a pre-printable recipe and other easy recipes, please go to my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!